How to connect a wireless mouse. Want to use a wireless mouse with your laptop or desktop? In this video, we will show you how to do that. First, open the battery container. This is the USB receiver. You'll usually find it inside next to the batteries or on the bottom of the mouse. This is the on-off button. Take the USB dongle. Close the container. Turn on the mouse. Next, plug the dongle of your mouse into the USB port of your laptop or PC. Now your mouse is successfully connected. In some cases, you have to install drivers. You'll see that at the bottom right of the screen. Hope this helps you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.